Hello my dear students. Today
I will be putting emphasis on past adjustment. This is a new topic, second last topic in fundamentals. So what happened in this? Sometimes few omissions or errors in the recording of transactions or while preparing the final accounts of the firm have been prepared and profits are distributed among the partners. Final accounts are prepared, profits are distributed, and thereafter there are some omissions and errors. What sort of omission and errors? Like for example, interest on capital. It is either omitted, or what sort of error can be here? Error can be, it is given in the wrong percentage. Either it is omitted or wrong percentage of interest on capital is given. Partnership deed has given some other percentage, like for example partnership deed has given interest on capital at the rate of 5%, what we distributed at the rate of 6%. So this is also an error. Likewise, second type of omission and error can be therein. Yes, you can make the list of various errors and omission. Interest on drawings, either it is omitted or given in the wrong percentage. Now what else could be there? Salary. Salary, again there can be two situations, either it is omitted or it is given in the wrong percentage. Likewise, profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio, profit is divided in the, obviously this cannot be omitted. It is given in the wrong ratio, other than ratio mentioned in partnership deed. So this can also create a problem. Or profit ratio changes with retrospective effect. Sometime partners mutually decide that they want to change their profit sharing ratio from the past 3 years. So this is known as retrospective effect. For example, in 2020, 31st March 2020, they decided to change their profit sharing ratio with the retrospective effect of 3 years. So you have to consider last 3 years profit for that. So I hope these errors and omissions are clear to you. Now how to resolve the issue? Now see, you cannot change your or manipulate your accounts. Why you cannot make changes? Because accounts are closed, profit is distributed, so no manipulation at this stage is required. So this is same as in case of rectification of errors. When accounts are prepared, then you won't be able to make any changes. So how to make the changes? If suppose accounts are closed, you make the changes through journal entry. So here also you will make changes through journal entry, and this entry is a special entry which is known as adjustment entry. Why this is known as adjustment entry? Because in this case you will not disturb your profits, you will only make the adjustment through partners capital account. So I hope the introduction of past adjustment must be clear to you. Past adjustment, in case of past adjustment, final accounts are prepared, profit is distributed, means accounts are finally closed. And thereafter you came to know that interest on capital has not been given. Or what is the other option? Error. Interest on capital has been given in the wrong percentage. Likewise, interest on drawing is either omitted or given in the wrong percentage. Salary either omitted or given in the wrong percentage. Profit sharing ratio, you distribute profit in the wrong ratio. Likewise, profit ratio changes with the retrospective effect. So I hope all these points must be clear to you. So how to make the changes? What is to be done in this case? For that I am taking a question from NCERT's book. Let us see the numerical. I have taken question number 40 of NCERT. You can open your book, page number 110. Question number 40. Azad and Beni are partners, equal partners. Their capitals are 40,000 and 80,000 respectively. After the accounts have been prepared, it is discovered that interest at the rate of 5% per annum, as provided in partnership agreement, has not been credited to the capital accounts before the distribution of profit. It is decided to make an adjustment entry at the beginning of the next year, and you are required to record necessary journal entries. So in this case, what is happening? Interest on capital has not been given while the profits are distributed. So now you cannot undo your profit and loss appropriation account, right? Because accounts are closed. So this is to be rectified through adjusting entry. Now let us see how to rectify this. So first of all, you will make a format of journal entry. This is, we are doing question number 40, page number 110. I am writing again question 40, page number 110. So what are the steps? First step is you should leave a space for journal entry. You know the format of journal entry? So leave a space for journal entry, because this will be our main working area. And for filling this, we need to show the working. That working is statement showing adjustment. So how many partners you are having? We are having 2 partners in question number 40. So number of partners plus 2 column. Plus 2 column. If you have 3 partners, 3 plus 2. So number of partners plus 2 additional columns you will be making. So let us make the columns. So how many columns are required? We will be making 4 columns. And I want to remind you that this is a summary of partners capital account and profit and loss appropriation. We are making this in summary form. So for doing this particular topic, the various concepts of fundamental must be clear to you. So the first one is particulars or contents. There is no debit credit here in this statement, and this one is for first partner, Azad's capital, and this is for Benny's capital. This is very interesting part of this particular chapter, and this is profit and loss appropriation account. So this is debit, credit, debit, credit, debit and credit. So let us see the first content. First of all, interest on capital was omitted. So let us give interest on capital. So giving interest on capital, we are giving interest on capital. It is 5%. So the capital of Azad is 40. 5% of 40 will be 2000. We are giving interest on capital. So what is the rule for interest on capital? Giving interest on capital. The rule for giving interest on capital will be credited. If you want to increase capital, give credit, and if you want to decrease capital, give debit. So this is the golden rule of capital. We are giving interest on capital, so their capital account will be credited. So likewise, similarly, Benny has a capital of 80,000, so 5% on that will be 4,000. So when you give interest on capital, it will be recorded on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation. So we can write here 6,000. How we arrive at 6,000? 2,000 plus 4,000. I hope this point is clear to you. See, this is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Here we used to write to interest on capital individually for A and B, 6,000. So instead of writing in this form, we are writing a summary of this. Now what will happen if you give full interest on capital? You don't have any profits because all the profits are already distributed. Now due to this interest on capital, firm will suffer a loss of 6,000. I hope this point is clear to you. Though this is not a charge on profit, but this is an adjustment. Due to this adjustment will lead firm into losses. So let us divide loss due to interest on capital. What is their profit sharing ratio? Their profit sharing ratio is equal. So loss is to be divided on the debit side. Why on debit side? Because decrease in partners' capital will be debited. This loss will decrease their capital account. Likewise, 3,000 here. I hope this is clear to you. Now you can leave one line and calculate the balancing figure. Yes. Now the balancing figure will be, you know how to balance an account? 3,000 on both the sides, and balancing figure will be 1,000. Likewise, 4,000 on both the sides and 1,000 on debit side, and this is already balanced. So for one thing you need to be very careful that you can only balance if this is balanced. So first of all you need to see that this account should be balanced, then only you can calculate the balancing figure of their capital accounts. If this is not balanced, in that case you won't be able to calculate the balancing figure because this is balanced. So that's why we started balancing the accounts. So now can you tell me If a particular balance is written on the credit side, it is known as debit balance because debit side is heavier. Or in simple words, you can say that we need to give 2000 to Azad, but here we are taking 3000 from Azad. So what is the net amount? Net amount is Azad has to return 1000. And here what is happening? Benny, we have to give Benny interest on capital as 4000, but we'll be taking 3000 from Benny. So what is the net amount which is to be paid to Benny is 1000. So I hope this adjustment is clear to you, and on the basis of this adjustment you will form journal entry here. And keep in mind, this particular statement showing adjustment also contains your working note, and working notes are also evaluated in boards. So don't forget to make this statement. So you know the format of journal entry. This is journals. Here you will be writing particulars, LF, debit amount, credit amount in rupees. Let us frame a journal entry. Then who will be debited? Yes, Azad will be debited. Azad's capital account debit to Benny's capital account. How much? 1000. And you have to write the narration also. Being adjustment entry is passed due to the omission of interest on capital. So I hope the treatment of this was a very simple question where we have not given interest on capital. This was the case of omission of interest on capital. So I hope this is clear to you. First of all, you will give interest on capital to the partner on credit side. Then whatever loss firm has to bear, that is to be taken from the partners by debiting their accounts in the profit sharing ratio. Because it is written equal, so that's why we are dividing this in the equal ratio. And the balancing figure will be, you know how to calculate the balance. So this way you will be able to calculate the balance. No, you don't have to prepare proper Azad's capital or Benny's capital. You will be preparing this in short form. So the final results will be, you will give debit to Azad and credit to Benny by applying this rule, because we have to increase Benny's capital and decrease Azad's capital. So I hope this first case of past adjustment must be clear to you. Now you will not face any problem in dealing with past adjustment. This was a simple case. We will be doing more numericals further. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.